Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on any MacBook. So yeah, basically I have this Rode Video Mic Pro Plus, but this basically works with any other Rode microphones and any microphones that are not Rode. And I have my two cables. But before we begin, you have to go to Settings and then go to Sound. And here basically in the input section, or you can just type input and open the sound input thing that shows. So you need to have it here. So as you can see, it's currently turned on, and I have this cable with 3 rings. Now I've tried them with 3 rings, 2 rings, this didn't work. So let me show. If I plug it here and then I plug it to the microphone, as you can see, nothing has changed. Only like it just recognizes it as a headset, but I don't want that. I want it to recognize it as a microphone. So this doesn't work. So what you can do, and this worked for me, this works for some of my other friends. I've tried this method, is to buy this little cable. And basically this cable is this, so Rode SC4 3.5mm TRS with TRS adapter. Now I've tried the splitters, the like jack to jack and then to the microphone. I didn't like that. I don't want millions of jacks inside my laptop. I only just like want one. So here's what you need to do. Don't make the same mistake I did, that you plug this in and then you plug this to the MacBook and then the other end here, because you can see even if it's turned on, it won't work. So what you need to do is just reverse it. So plug, so this part connect to the adapter, plug that part here, and then plug the other part into the MacBook, and boom, as you can see, it's here. The external microphone is here. Test. As you can see, it's working, because if I were to choose the MacBook microphone, go oh, it won't go loud. But if I come here and say oh, you can see how it goes loud. So that's the only thing you need to do. If it's not working, make sure it's turned on, because it doesn't automatically turn on when you plug in the thing. So you can see it's turned off. Oh, this time it turned on. But just be aware this is turned on, because you can be going, oh, it's not working, but it's actually working. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot, and also leave a like. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem in the comments down below. And if you could share this video to some forum posts before you were struggling and couldn't find a solution, I would also appreciate it if you could just share this video to those forums or blogs or whatever. Thank you.